Alright, I'm going to show you how to install an LED bulb, like a headlight bulb, into a 2020-2021 Kawasaki KLX 230. You know, because they should come stock with a halogen bulb, and it's 2020 and they're still using halogen bulbs. So, guy probably wants to upgrade to an LED, like I did. I'll show you. I got the headlight off, but you can see it works quite well. I'll show you how I did it. Pretty easy. As you can see, I got it in there. But basically, just rubber deal off, and then there's a lock ring right in there, and you have to modify that lock ring just a little bit. Here's a brand new lock ring, and because of this auxbeam bulb I'm using, I guess there it is right there, F2H4, the flange on the bulb is just a little thicker. This flange right here on the bulb is a little thicker, so it will not allow it to seat in. So what you have to do, because this rotates in, there's a little tab right here, it rotates and clocks in. Well, being that thicker, there's not enough room. Flip it over, as you can see, there is these little tabs right here. You just sand those down, not off, just down a bit, enough so you can get it to lock in. Now you're probably thinking, okay, you do that, but you know, that's not gonna work, right? Well, on these bulbs in particular, I can do this one-handed. Hold on just a second, two-handed op. This just pulls off. It's just O-rings, pressure fit, pulls off. Put your lock ring, and then you put this back on. And then you can lock it in. And then you sand down those tabs, and it goes right in. You got a fan, you know, it's got the ballast. I just wired up, zip tied the ballast up, or whatever this is, up to here. Driver, I think is what it's actually called. Just zip tied it up to there, and then this rubber deal. I actually cut mine wrong. I actually have two of these, so I can cut another one and have a stock replacement. Because you do have to modify stuff, so I wanted to have all new stuff in case I want to go back to the halogen bulb. So that's why I have another ring. Wonder what the part number is. There's the part number for that ring for the rubber grommet. I guess I don't have one out here to show you, but yeah. So you do have to cut the grommet, fit it around there. But once you do that, you get that zip tied up. It's pretty easy, you know. So yeah, I make just a quick little video on it because I only saw like one guy and he had to like hog out the actual where the bulb sits in there, and I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to modify the headlight housing in any way. So I just did that, and it works great. So now this bike has LED headlight, LED little extra light in there, you see. It also has LED license plate light. I'd like to do the blinkers, but I don't know what it has for a relay or anything, so for now they'll just stay that way. But yeah, that's just a quick little video on it. It's pretty simple, really. Just sand down these tabs a little bit on this back so it'll lock in. Because you don't sand those tabs down with this being thicker, it just won't lock in. So yeah, it's really easy, and you know, it's an H4 as you see it. I got high, I got low. So yeah, works good, nice and bright, better than factory, I think. Definitely gives it a modern look because it's a modern bike, so it should have a modern headlight. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.